Hai teman-teman, kita jumpa lagi di sini di Another Place, namanya masih di Liverpool. Dan kenapa kami bawa kalian ke sini? Ada apa?
Can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city light.
Well, there's kind of a rather extraordinary series of sculptures, and we're standing next to one, and there are in total 100 of them. The sculpture is there, standing in the sand, embedded deep into the sand, and they've been here for about 20 years, I think, by now. And the whole title, as Fina said, is called Another Place. That's the title of this art installation. And it is curious, and all of these characters are looking out to sea. Now, what does it symbolise, looking out to sea? Well, I suppose it's looking out towards the New World, in other words, Canada, America, and also out to the sea, because, of course, Liverpool itself, the city, is famous for being a coastal city on the west coast of Britain, of England, and it's kind of it's got a reputation for being seafaring country. So it is marvellous, and so we'll have a look at some other of the statues. So what do you think, Fina?
Ya, so teman-teman, kenapa seperti Tim bilang tadi, tempat ini sangat unik sekali. Seperti kalian lihat, di belakang kami ada patung dari seorang artis yang membuat patung itu sendiri. Karena patung ini dibuat oleh dirinya, itu Anthony Gormley. Dan di pantai sini ada 100 patung ya, yang berdasarkan dari ini tubuh dia, seperti kayak gini, keren ya, tubuh dia itu ada 100. Dan kalian tahu berapa beratnya? Itu satu patung itu 650 kg ya.
100 in total, and apparently the length of it from the top to the bottom all along the coast is 3 kilometres.
Wow.
So it's quite a long, expansive, a long stream of statues, all of the same person, Anthony Gormley, the sculptor himself. So we'll go and have a look at others, but others are far out at sea, kind of half in the water, half out of the water, and it makes you think, doesn't it, somehow? Don't you think it looks rather spooky in some way, just these people standing motionless out at sea? It does look strange to me.
Agak-agak, apalagi ya teman-teman ya, di cuaca seperti sekarang ini nggak begitu ramai orang, dan kalau kita memandang ke kejauhan sana seperti ada orang berdiri ya tanpa emotion ya, jadi seperti kayak yuk teman-teman, kita jalan lagi dan akan kami perlihatkan dan kami sharekan kepada kalian yang setia bersama The Adventure.
Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand.
So here is another of those, to me, rather mysterious statues on Crosby Beach. The whole installation, as I said, is called Another Place, and it is evocative in some ways. It makes you think of distant places somehow, people gazing out to sea, motionless, and it does look, as I've said before, rather mysterious. And there's Fina. She's come across to the figure of the man, the figure of Anthony Gormley, and there are, as we mentioned before, 100 of these in total, which is quite amazing. So, Fina, what is your general opinion of this art installation?
Yes. Teman-teman, pendapat saya tentang patung-patung ini sangat menarik sekali. Karena bayangkan ya, 100 itu tersebar sepanjang 3 km yang pada saat itu dibuat atau ditanam ya pada tahun 2005 dan baru diresmikan untuk menjadi permanen tuh pada 2007 ya. Dan kalian bisa lihat ya bahwa yang bikin Anthony Gormley badannya bagus kan? Dan itu adalah melambangkan adalah time, humanity, dan satu lagi freedom ya, kalau nggak salah ya, freedom. Jadi kebebasan, humanity dan waktu ya, itu menyimbolkan dia segitu. Jadi Jadi semua patung-patung yang sebanyak 100 itu adalah tubuh dia ya. Berarti sangat atletis sekali kan ya. Dan dia luar biasa sekali dan saya sangat impress ya teman-teman. Sebentar kami kembali bicara soal cuaca, karena sangat beruntung sekali pada hari ini walaupun nggak ada matahari, hanya malu-malu keluar ya, tetapi cukup bagus lah untuk kita berada di pantai sini ya kan.
Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the
Teman-teman, bagaimana menurut pendapat kalian tempat ini? Inginkah kalian datang ke sini? Mudah-mudahan ya. So teman-teman, terima kasih untuk kesetiaan kalian bersama The Adventure of Vina and Tim. Jangan lupa like-nya dan komennya ya. Dan untuk kalian yang baru saja menemukan channel kami, boleh dong kalian untuk subscribe. So kami sangat bersemangat untuk membagikan kembali tempat-tempat yang